how to add my business on Google Maps. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Google Maps right here. And once we are now here, just go on the part or the location of your business. So let's say, for example, that this is where my business is. And then all you have to do is to hold it. And then once you're now here, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see add your business to Maps for free. So click that. And once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to put our business name, which is right here. Let's say, for example, that our business name is Mark's Restaurant right here. And then on the business category, what we're going to do is to put restaurant right here and then click next. So just answer the questions right here. And then, of course, enter your business address. So let's say, for example, 123 example. And then for the city, let's put example right here. And then for the zip code, let's put this. Then click next. And then just answer more of the questions right here. So all you have to do is to do that and then just answer more of the questions right here. And once you are now done, all you have to do is to save it. And then once you save it, all you have to do is to wait for Google Maps to confirm your business address. And then if you look again, if you refresh it, you will now be able to see your business address on Google. So that is basically it. That is how to add my business on Google Maps.